Okay, so this is one of the new decks I bought. It's called the Sacred Forest Oracle. And I want to open it up. Do you guys have the patience for that today? What else are you doing? Little man's run off somewhere to do something else. And then we'll pull some cards. Then we'll do some fun day. All right, so this is called the Sacred Forest Oracle. Denise Linn is the name on the... You know what? I might have to turn this off. Let's see what happens if we turn this off. Is that better? It's mildly better. Now you can see my kitchen lights. Sacred Forest Oracle. Sweet! And then we're going to pull some cards. Okay, cool. These are... So the Sacred Forest... Oh, I feel like a 6-year-old. Open it! The Sacred Forest Oracle is 52 cards. So like I've always mentioned, Oracle decks are like, they just choose how many cards they want, I swear. It's a Hay House deck. I got this deck because I thought it would be a really great meditation deck. On the inside of the box, enter a secret dimension to discover the truth of your soul. Bum, 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 bum. So lately, Hay House has been doing these really great books. This is way better than the little pamphlets we used to get. You guys remember? I think some decks probably still do it, but these books are becoming more and more the norm inside of tarot decks and oracle decks. So you can see there's some spread information in there. You can do spreads with oracle decks. I don't. That's because I like tarot. And then it goes through to give like a lot of synopsis about the card. So I got them because I thought they would be really, really great for meditating into. Have you ever done that thing where you meditate into... It's like using it as a meditation. So you look at the image and then you close your eyes and you see the image, which then can translate into being inside the image. These are... I am sticky with honey. Oh my god, there's honey. Okay, I'm about to do a thing. It's going to be weird. It's going to get weird. This is how I get my best views. She licked the mug. I made sure to try not to show my tongue. When I run for mayor, it's all going to come back to haunt me. Okay. So, to do the thing where you like meditate into the image and then see what happens. It's a matte card, so I turned my light back on because it'll work. Air Spirit. So it looks like all of the cards are numbered. And then they have their title on them. But for the most part, that doesn't really... It doesn't really interfere with the image, I find. Ancient Oak Spirit Strength. So when I saw them, I was just like, these would be excellent cards to just like meditate right into. Look at this. Aspen Spirit, Courage. Like I want to go to that castle. I want to walk through all of those butterflies and go to the castle. Bear Spirit, Healing. We're going to draw some cards in a minute. Bee Spirit, Prosperity. Love it. Look at that. So to meditate yourself, so you're the little elf person on the bee, and then see what information is given. Bluebell Fairy, Gratitude. So I also bought one of these decks for one of my daughters because I thought it would be good. It would be a good match to her. It felt like a good match to her. Bluebird Spirit, Happiness. Butterfly Spirit, Transformation. Hello, Venus. Crystal Cave, Trust. Check that out. Nice. Daffodil Fairy, New Beginnings. Sweet. Dragon Power. We are going to draw some cards in a bit. I love it. Look at that card. Holy schmoly. You're going to see that on my Instagram real soon. Dragonfly Spirit Change. I really loved. I don't know that I have any other decks that kind of show dragonfly, and I know dragonflies are kind of a big deal. Eagle spirit, freedom. Look at the colors in here. I love it. Oh, earth spirit, stability. Very nice. Little swan down there. Elves, playfulness. So for some of us, elves are not playfulness. For some of us, elves are all mischief and trouble. However, elves, playfulness. Imagine yourself in there. Enchanted Fern Grotto, refuge. I feel like that'd be a really good name for a medieval pub. Enchanted Fern Grotto. The enchanted fern. Fire spirit, energy. Ooh, call that up. So although you can use these, you know, in your reading style or your daily polls, foggy bog patience. I just thought they would be really fun as a meditation helper. Forest Temple Enlightenment. So where I bought the other, remember I bought that other deck specifically for the spellcasting oracle? Frog Spirit Renewal. Oh, that's a good one. I like it. I thought all I wanted these cards was to meditate into some peaceful scenes. Put beside the bed and meditate. Guardians of the Land, protection, but of course, check that out. Still getting some, there's still some light. Hummingbird Spirit, joy, very nice. The Fire Spirit card is a nice one, isn't it? Hang on, let me. Maple Spirit, generosity. Oh, that's a great card. Just to sit down underneath that tree and go, huh, how do I want to feel generous today? Meandering pathway, flow. Hello, Gandalf. Hello, wizard. Moonlight enchantment, magic. So because I can't help myself, some of these cards are going to sort of correspond with tarot for me, like the moon card, because I can't help myself. But Mystic Meadow Sanctuary, because they aren't tarot, is that? That is a regal rabbit. Look at that regal rabbit. Sanctuary. Is there? And there is like the hint of a castle tower back here. Personally, the way that I like to use Oracle, this is Owl Spirit Wisdom. The way I like to use Oracle is different from Tarot, clearly, but also because Tarot has some very specific meanings for me. So if I pick up a Seven of Cups, it's almost always going to have a similar baseline meaning, where Oracle gets to surprise me. Pegasus, transcending. Oh, Phoenix, transmutation. Heck yeah. Pine Spirit, purification. Very nice. I like it. Very good. Rainbow Waterfall Miracles. Hello. Lord of the Rings feel. Amanda, yeah, like it does have a little bit of like that ethereal D&D otherworldly feel to it. Raven Spirit Truth. I really like this card. Reflecting Pool, Stillness. Very nice. Secret Spring, Success. Spirit Guardian of Autumn, Letting Go. That's a pretty character. Spirit Guardian of Spring, Activation. Like the maypole there. The natural maypole with the little sort of spirit fairy suggestions. Spirit Guardian of Summer, Expansion. Hello. Spirit Garden of Winter Retreat. You knew that was coming. I like it. So the images are, like, I feel like they're definitely digitally enhanced things, images. I don't feel like these are paintings. I feel like these were like images with digital. Stag Spirit Leadership. And where once upon a time, like, I don't have a good time reading tarot cards when they look like this, but I'm finding with oracle decks, not so bad. Like oracle decks, I'm like, yeah, I can get behind that. And I think it's because, again, how I use them. Standing Stones Passage. Very nice. Very nice. Starry Night Acceptance. We're almost done here, and then I'll start pulling some cards for you. Storm Spirit Chaos. I didn't even read anything from the little booklet to get the sort of feel for what were they thinking when they put it together. Thicket of Thorns, Uncertainty. Okay, this is a great card, and even though it looks like, ooh, why would I want to put myself in there? For me, the first idea is like, if I was feeling like I was in a thicket of thorns situation, I would put myself in there to find the answer, to solve the issue, to solve the problem. Toadstools for Growth. Hello, Toadstool Lady. Unicorn, Purity. Water Spirit, Manifesting Dreams. Hello, buddy. Very nice. Wild Rose Fairy for Love. Willow Spirit, Flexibility. Ooh, Wise Woman of the Grove, Grace. Okay, so I was just about to say, this is an Indigenous woman that's being shown. I was just about to say, not a lot of representation here. However, there was like, I feel like I saw one like African American representation. I feel like all the rest are sort of like fair-skinned folk. I'll have to look through it again. Like lots of animals. Anyway, so there you go. Just as I'm about to say it, Wise Woman of the Grove, Grace. Can you see her? What a great card to like go into to get some information. Wizard of the Woods. Is this the first male that we? No, there was another male. There was kind of. He had the person had their back to us. The wizard that I said, "Oh, hey, Gandalf." Wizard of the Woods, focus. Woo! Happy 2022, Angie. We're going to do some quick reads in a minute. I'm just going through this groovy new Oracle deck I got. And I couldn't show anybody because I had purchased it also for my daughter, like a copy for my daughter, so I couldn't show. Wolf Family Spirit. Sorry, Wolf Spirit Family. And the last one is Wood Nymph Beauty. So again, this is the Forest, Sacred Forest Oracle. It is a Hay House deck that I just wanted to share with everybody for a hot minute. There are 52 cards in this one, and you guys watched me open it, so I haven't even had a chance to kind of read through. There's a note from the author. There is a journey into the sacred forest, so I feel like this is going to probably lead you. So fun. Oracle cards as energy portals, which is exactly how I was going to use this. How to use the forest, the sacred forest oracle, and storing the cards, methods of sacred forest recovery. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, that I got this, like, oh, put the book in there. It's a new deck I got. And so I'm happy with the card stock. It is a matte, M-A-T-T-E, card stock from Hay House. Great book that comes with it. So apparently this comes with 53 free audio downloads of guided meditations to connect you with the vibrational energy of the sacred forest. Personally, I think I would prefer to like go over it myself, like with my own stuff. So I don't have any preconceived notions that go into it. I might not even read the book, like the book entries because my intention is to meditate in and then journal what I get, what delights I get. Okay.